So half period zone is a trick. It is a very simple trick, and yet it is extremely helpful to find out the diffraction patterns on a screen in case of near field interactions. Okay, so let us understand the trick by simple animation. So here this is a circular aperture, and on the left hand side you can see the same oriented, and there is a point of observation along the red axis, right? So first of all, suppose only the first half period zone is exposed, and hence we get a bright spot. But as soon as the point moves towards the screen, the distance is reduced to half. The area of half period zone is reduced by half. So two half period zones, the yellow and the red, half period zone number 1 and 2, are exposed and they cancel out each other, and we get a lesser bright spot. Here the wavefront has been the plane wavefront, and the half period zones are circular. But while studying rectangular aperture, we consider, for simplicity and ease of calculation, we consider cylindrical wavefronts, and the half period zones look like rectangular strips. Okay. Now the same thing. Only the first half period zone is exposed as per the distance of the point of observation from the screen. So there is a brightness because only the first half period zone is exposed. Now if we move towards the wavefront or towards the slit by a distance half, the distance is reduced, the half period zone area is reduced. So two half period zones are exposed, and the wavefronts cancel out each other because the phase difference is pi, or the path difference is lambda by 2 between the two half period zones. Here the half period zone can reduce along the length, or they can reduce along the breadth. That much details we are skipping for this moment. Only the fact remains true that as the distance is reduced, more than one half period zones are exposed. Now let us make a guesswork. So for rectangular slit, okay, earlier we were moving along the axis, but if we move perpendicular to the axis along a screen, okay, same thing happens. At a certain distance, two half period zones are exposed, and there is a spot which is lesser bright. Now let us make some guesswork. Please write down your guess in the comment box of this video. So I will show you 3 diffraction patterns, and this is a game. You will have to guess the shape of the apertures. Okay, this is one pattern, this is another pattern, and this is the third pattern. So keep guessing. Till then, bye.